Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm really excited for this video. If you guys been following my channel, you know that I placed an order through Visible for I think a pretty good deal. If right now if you sign up to Visible and stay with them for 2 months and port in a number, you can get the iPhone 12 Pro Max for I think $900 something after $200 prepaid MasterCard, free Bose headphones, and with the rebate on one of the sites. Now it used to be 15%, but now I think we go down to 9 or 12%. Okay, so I placed the order. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I'm gonna put the link somewhere up here. And in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Gold from Visible, and I'm gonna activate it, and I'm gonna do a speed test with the iPhone 12 from Sprint Forever Free line compared to this one, and that way we can see the speed of the two networks to see which is faster. Because right now, even though Sprint on T-Mobile says that I have 5Gs, but I really don't see the difference of it. I think it's just a regular LTE, but who knows? And so we're gonna do a quick unbox right now, and we go from there. Wow, really nice. So it does come with the visible SIM over here on the side. So nothing else in the box. And they ship it out with through FedEx, so pretty fast. So I chat with the Visible support, and they said that their phones come unlocked. Okay, but just to be on the safe side, just make sure you stay with them for at least 2 months, so that way all the credits and the rebates and the cashback or other prepaid MasterCard, make sure that you will receive them. Okay, but this is for a 256 new iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm pretty sure you've seen like a lot of unboxing already. Ooh, voila. Wow. Look at this. I'm always a fan of the gold color. I don't know why, but I really love gold. It looks really nice. And compared to my iPhone 12, let's see. You can see comparison here. Clear case, side by side. Voila. And inside it does come with the just basically the lightning cable and a SIM ejector and a sticker, and that's pretty much it. So just gonna put this back in here, put these bad boys back here, and we're gonna stick in the visible SIM. Visible is pretty neat. They sent us the SIM card along with the ejector tool as well. So pretty neat, very thoughtful. So where is the SIM tray? Is on the side. So let's power these bad boys up. See what it says. Okay, put my iPhone 12 away. Let's carry it on with the XS Max. Oh, this is the iPhone 12 Pro. Keep saying the wrong one. Okay, first thing says hello. Say hello. Hello. Okay, let's see. Here, just put English. Setup menu. Let's choose. I'm gonna pick my Wi-Fi. Oh, it already has the LTE on the SIM already, so I was wondering if it's already activated. But right now, it's just put in my Wi-Fi, so it says it's gonna take a minute or so. They're probably going to ask me to input my my Apple ID. All right, let's data privacy, continue, Face ID, do that later. Passcode, we can do that later as well. Okay, so after I did the updates on the iPhone, and I downloaded all of the programs before. And I also downloaded the Visible apps. Okay, in order for you to activate the Visible app, you got to download it. Okay, and once you download it, you can. It tells you exactly right here. You turn off, connect to Wi-Fi, and you do this software update. Download the app, and you sign into your account, and then you insert the SIM provided into the phone. Okay. And let's see what else. And then you close it and you turn off your phone. Okay, and you turn it back on, and then you follow the app instructions. It says to activate right there. It's pretty simple. You can't go wrong with this. Okay, so right now, my phone, it's okay. Let me see. Both of my phones are up. Okay, so now. Both of my iPhone on the left hand side, you can see we're gonna do a speed test right now. Okay, so one of them is let's see how fast they are. Okay, Visible and Sprint. As we can, let's see which one is faster. So Visible doesn't have 5Gs yet. I spoke to well, I didn't speak, but I chatted with the rep and said that it's coming soon. So I don't know how soon it's coming to Visible, but Verizon already have 5Gs. So as you can see right here, I get a memo say, "Congrats, Jonathan, you're officially Visible." So that's what it is. Okay, so we can see here the download speed for Sprint is 31.6 and upload is 23.2. And on Visible, it's 17.7 down, and up is only 0.4. Okay, so we're going to do another one. I just I just put in a new case and also the screen protector. This bubbles right here, it's going to go away. So, like I said, I don't know how fast or how real 5G is on the Sprint Forever line, but it's impressive. It's right now it's outscore Visible. Oh, Visible, it's only at what, like 8 or 9 right now, and you can see the speed test for this one is iPhone 12 and this is iPhone 12 Pro Max, or is it Pro? Yeah, Pro Max. So again, the speed has been consistent on Visible is only 8.4, and that's the download speed, and upload speed is even slower. It's only like 0.2 or something. On the other hand, with the Sprint Forever line, the download speed is 36.8, upload speed is 27.2. So again, this phone I got it for free. Well, the line is free, but I bought the phone like for about $550, and this phone right here, I bought it off of Visible with all the incentive like a MasterCard $200 back and cash back and free headphones. So I think all in all, it's a pretty good deal. Okay, so that's pretty much about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.